What if I told you there was a way to manage your dropshipping store without having to manually add products, update prices, or process orders? Well, there is, and it's called DSers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install DSers and get started using it to grow your dropshipping business. What is DSers? DSers is a dropshipping automation tool that allows you to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress and Oberlo. This means that you can automatically add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store, and you can also automatically update prices and process orders. Benefits of using DSers. There are a number of benefits to using DSers, including saves you time. DSers can automate a number of tasks that would otherwise take you hours to do manually. Increases your profits. DSers can help you find and sell products with higher profit margins. Improves your customer experience. DSers can help you process orders more quickly and accurately. How to install DSers. Installing DSers is easy. Just follow these steps. Go to the DSers website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and password, and then click on the Create Account button. Once you have created an account, you will be redirected to the DSers dashboard. Click on the Add Store button. Enter your Shopify store URL and then click on the Connect Store button. Once your store is connected, you can start adding products from AliExpress. How to add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. Adding products from AliExpress to your Shopify store is easy. Just follow these steps. Go to the AliExpress website and search for the products you want to add. Once you have found the products you want to add, click on the Add to Cart button. Once you have added the products you want to add to your cart, click on the Checkout button. On the checkout page, select the DSers shipping method. Enter your DSers API key and then click on the Place Order button. Once your order has been placed, DSers will automatically add the products to your Shopify store. How to update prices and process orders. DSers can automatically update prices and process orders for you. To do this, you need to enable the Automatic Price Update and Automatic Order Processing options in the DSers settings. Other features of DSers. DSers has a number of other features that can help you grow your dropshipping business, including product research. DSers can help you find profitable products to sell. Order tracking. DSers can help you track your orders and keep your customers updated on the status of their shipments. Customer support. DSers has a team of experts who are available to help you with any questions you have. DSers is a powerful tool that can help you save time, increase your profits, and improve your customer experience. If you're looking for a way to grow your dropshipping business, I highly recommend giving DSers a try. If you're interested in learning more about DSers, click on the link below and sign up for a free trial today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.